Good evening friends, I am Abjeet and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Asmin. Today we will be discussing about how Nifty and Banknifty have performed today, that is 31st of March, monthly and yearly expiry for this financial year, and how Nifty and Banknifty can perform tomorrow, that is 1st of April, Friday. Before we go to Nifty and Banknifty, let's look at the global indices. If we talk about the US indices closed in red in last trading session. Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, all three were down. If we talk about the European markets, as of now, European markets are also trading in flat to negative range. DAX is down by 0.19%, FTSE 0.18%, and CAC of France by 0.36%. If we talk about Chinese market, and along with that I would rather say Asian markets, wherein we can have Chinese and Hang Seng, all these markets are trading in red. So tomorrow we might either open flat or gap down. If you go to FII-DI data for today, FIIs were net buyers. They have bought for 3088 crores, and DIs were also net buyers. They have bought lesser than FIIs, but at least I would say it is a buying of 1145 crores. On a 15-minute chart of Nifty, we can see that we opened gap up today in the range of 17,519, and 17,519 was more of like a resistance, because call writing was huge at 17,500 and 600. So we turned back from 17,550, and then we did not retrace this level. So and then we made a low in the second half, which was 17,435, and by the time 17,400 put option was trading at a very low rate. So of course we did not see much impact of the expiry. More or less it was a kind of a safe expiry which traded between 17,550 to 17,450, I would rather say. So for tomorrow what we can do is, if we open flat to gap down, then the first resistance for the market would be 17,480 to 490. Second would be today's high, which is 17,550. Third would be 17,600, and over and above 17,700 levels can be seen. But for tomorrow, if we open gap down and retrace the lower levels, then the first support would be 17,420, second would be 17,350 to 370, and the third would be 17,280 to 17,300. If we close below this, then only I can say that the Bank Nifty and Nifty are going into a negative territory. If we talk about the FII, which we have already talked about, let's talk about the option chain data. As of now, 17,500 is having a good open interest on the call side. It might act as a partial resistance for this coming week. However, put writing is call writing is active at 18,000. Here we can see that it is a huge volume, and call writers are present here. However, put writers are not active in this price, so of course it is a far-fetched price for this coming week. If we talk about the range on the put side, the put side is 17,000 followed by 17,200. So 17,200 to 18,000 would be the range for this week for Nifty. If we talk about Bank Nifty was more or less stronger than Nifty, and it was holding the Nifty, and Bank Nifty actually closed in green. 0.11% is the closing in green for Bank Nifty. If Bank Nifty opens gap down, the first support would be 36,220 to 36,250, second would be 36,000, and the third would be 35,900. If we start moving higher, the first resistance for the Bank Nifty would be 36,420, second would be 36,650, and the third would be 36,850. Let's go to the option chain to validate the level. 36,400 is the zone where call writers and put writers are almost in equal amount. If you talk about 36,500, yes, call writers are having an edge. So for Bank Nifty, 37,000 could be a level on the farther side, and on the put side 36,000. So 36,000 to 37,000 is the range for Bank Nifty. That's all for this video, friend. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you want live market updates and stock recommendations, do follow my Telegram channel. Link will be given in the description below. Thank you.